Pine Street is in very good condition. Aside from a few small areas where dried mud has accumulated, Pine Street is smooth, well-maintained, and provides a balanced driving surface for drivers. The street markings are clear and highly visible, with fresh paint contributing to improved lane definition and traffic guidance. New street signs are also in place in many areas and easy to read, thus enhancing safety and navigation for all drivers. Pine Street presents as a well-maintained roadway with only minor housekeeping needs related to the isolated dried mud deposits. In addition, the road islands along Pine Street play an important role in guiding traffic by clearly defining travel paths, organizing vehicle movements, and providing visual cues that help drivers navigate the roadway safely and efficiently. The road islands improve overall traffic flow while encouraging appropriate speeds and reducing potential conflict points. Viewers can see that demonstrated in this video. Did you know that many of the streets in Deming, New Mexico are named after trees, such as Pine Street, Ash Street, Cedar Street, Maple and Oak Street? This naming pattern reflects a classic town planning style from the late 1800s, when Deming was established as a railroad community. Even though Deming sits in the Chihuahuan Desert, its street names evoke lush forests, giving the city a unique blend of southwestern history and traditional American town design. Many viewers may have noticed that Pine Street truly lives up to its name, as it is lined with beautiful pine trees that create a distinctive and welcoming streetscape. The towering evergreens add natural beauty throughout the year and provides shade, character, and a sense that makes the street especially memorable. It's a fitting reminder that sometimes a street's name reflects exactly what you'll find along the way. Did you know Pine Street has been one of Deming's principal commercial corridors for well over a century? As Deming grew into a major railroad hub in the late 1800s, businesses expanded beyond Silver Avenue, and Pine Street became a key downtown business district. Today, it also serves as the city's business loop for Interstate 10, following part of the historic US 80 route, meaning travelers are driving on a roadway that has connected cross-country traffic for generations.